This is Paul. Yeah. Um, just so law enforcement understands. Yeah. These laws are not changing. You are. Now, I'm going to sue you. Yes. And you're going to go to prison. Pooh. Now, bodily injury results from the acts? Yeah. Committed in violation of the section, or if such acts include the use or attempted use or threatened use of a dangerous weapon, explosives, or fire. Not more than 10 years. Yeah. If death results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or such acts include kidnapping. Yeah. Attempt to kidnap or an attempt to commit aggravated sexual abuse. Yeah. Life imprisonment. Pooch. Now, the whole context of deprivation of rights under color of law. Yeah. Um, my wife didn't give me a dissolution of marriage. Um, the idea that a spouse could just run away from Guam. Yeah. Return to Clallam County and get whatever it was that she got. And then I'm going to do a mental health evaluation and treatment if recommended. Yes. Without seeing any accusations against myself. That'll be another life imprisonment, Brent. Pooch. Now, pains, penalties, or punishments that are different. Yeah. Than any other citizen of the United States. Now, to give you an example, let's say any individual wanted a divorce. Yeah. And you arrested them when serving them the dissolution of marriage. Poof, huge. That in and of itself would be deprivation of rights under color of law. But they get out of jail. And you deprive them of the right under color of law. Yes. To not motion the court to renew a protection order for the false accusation of breaking a protection order. Because, yes, they were not proven guilty of violating the restraint provisions of a protection order. But you decide to have a minute order. Right now! That is not included in the RCWs of the state of Washington. Because you, as the court commissioner, do not feel any need to be compliant. Yes. In the actual use of the documentation of the state of Washington. Now, obviously, I'm on trial. I'm not going to appear in court. No. But your thought was, well, I'm going to obligate him to appear in court so that you can inform me of my obligation to have a mental health evaluation. Right. While on trial. Yes. For the accusation of violating your protection order. Yes. Where you're going to obligate me to have a mental health evaluation. Yes. Because you're going to obligate me to have a mental health evaluation. That would be pains, punishments, and penalties under the color of law. Deprivation of rights under color of law. See, we talked a lot about these protection orders. Yeah. And then we talked about the rights of the respondent, the rights of the petitioner, and the rights of the minors named. Now, the dissolution of marriage. Yeah. Where I didn't get notice of court hearings. Yeah. Yeah, that would be a deprivation of rights under color of law. Now, not requiring the petitioner to serve the respondent. Yes. Deprivation of rights under color of law. And if any of the actual content of the dissolution of marriage. Yeah. Has anything to do with punishment, pain, or penalties. Yeah. On account of me being a white. Yes. Heterosexual. Christian. Yes. That wants. Yes. Father! Right now. That'll be another lifetime in prison. Pooch. Now, I'm adding up the years in prison here, Brent. Yes. Because this county said that as long as they pay, you'll do what they say. Color of law. Deprivation of rights. Yes. Now, fabricated evidence. Pooch. Healthy Families of Clallam County. Yes. You're going to get me for paying child support $81,615. Yes. Because you're going to say that I'm a mentally ill homeless man that doesn't know what you did. And since I spent 3 years and 24 days not saying anything. Yes. When I finally said something. Deprivation of rights under color of law. You're going to fabricate evidence. Have me arrested. Yes. Refuse to admit the evidence. Refuse to acknowledge that your protection order was issued without any of the actual rights of law. So that you could violate the rights of the petitioner name. So that you, as the court commissioner right now, would receive compensation for punishment, pains, and penalties.